We broke up, you could blow. Your friends are mine. I know you moved on for someone new. One more girl who brings out the better in you. And I thought my heart was detached from all the sunlight of our past. But she's so sweet, she's so pretty, dashing. Forgot about me, oh, oh. You're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know I can't let you go. So fine, so great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. And do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen? An eternal love, you'll never need. Remember when I believed me, when you said it first to me. And now I'm picking her apart. I got her down, making me smile at you down. But she's beautiful, she looks kind. She probably gives you butterflies. Oh, I hope you're happy. I wish you all the best, really. Say you love her, baby, just not like you love me. And call me fondly when your arms around her. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy, but don't be happy. Hi, hello everyone. Sabayan nyo ako sa aking ukulele journey at sabay tayong matuto at ating awitin ay ang Happier by Olivia Rodrigo. Nabubulo na naman ng lola mo. At ito ay meron lang 4 chords na F, D minor, G minor at C7. Yun lang ang ating 4 chords. At ang ating strumming pattern ay dalawang klase. 6 down per chords. Ayan, parang ganito. Lilipat ka na sa isang chord na D minor, tapos G minor, tapos C7. Yun. At ang isa naman ay ang ito nga palang palatandaan ng ating string. Basta itong sa baba, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun ang ating bilang. Ay nag-start sa 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ganito. Okay, baba natin para mas makita nyo. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bali, twice per chords. Ulit. Okay, comment lang kayo at pwede kayong mag-request ng kahit anong awitin at itry natin gawa ng tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye. God bless everyone.